Hello again. Welcome to your first penmanship session for term 3. This will be our first episode of many. Today we are looking at more letter families and using our diagonal join. In previous terms we would have gone through these separately, so I know you can do it on your own. The only difference is with this time I have provided the pages for you, so take a look before you write. Make sure you are writing between the correct lines. The lines that are not whole, they have spaces between them. Those come like your red lines in your penmanship book, and the whole black ones are the blue lines. So remember that your letters are going between these lines. So for the first set of letter families, which you would have had to do on Tuesday, we're looking at just a few of them: U, Y, I, M, A, N, A, M, A, R, and A, X. And then we are going to try practicing the diagonal join. This is what would help you join two small letters, two lowercase letters. So as you could see, the video was sped up a little because we would have gone through all of these letter formations before. So now you would have to take your time, look at the video, and then try it out on your own. As always, you want to make sure, especially when you're dealing with two lowercase letters, two small letters, you want to make sure that they are the same size. Sizing is very important, as well as your spacing. You don't want untidy work. And you want to write what you see. You are going to emulate the skills that you see here. Now, out of all of these, the most challenging may be AX, but not to worry. With practice, you should get it at the end. And you could use your red and blue line books to practice some more if you like. So when it comes to our diagonal join between these lowercase letters, this is what helps you join them. They flow into each other, so that you never have to make the letters separate and then put in a hook here or a tail there. It makes your writing seamless. So this would have been your workload for Tuesday. Next we have what you would have been doing on Friday, what you will be doing. This one isn't as challenging. It just takes a little patience and have fun with it. Writing is supposed to be therapeutic and calming, has good health benefits. With this one, we are looking at the diagonal join with lowercase and uppercase letters, short and tall letters. This is how you would join them. So make sure your strokes are accurate. You are starting your letter from the correct spot. And you could see from the short one, it curves upwards. And then you start forming the second letter. So some letters are tall, some letters are short, some letters fall through the line. AF may be challenging, but just remember you are not making the F between those two whole black lines. Your F must touch the top and bottom dotted lines. They won't all be perfect. We're not aiming for perfection. This is just practice. So try not to erase too much. You don't want to get any holes in your paper or make your work smudged in any way. At one point I realized my pencil was blunt. It did not have a point. So I switched it out for a well-sharpened pencil I had waiting for me. And I'll show you the difference. A blunt pencil encourages you to press a little harder. Now nothing's wrong with that, but at times you may break your point or your writing may not be as neat, whereas a pencil with a point, you will always have to be aware of the pressure that you put on the said point. And in a way it keeps your work nice and neat. At first E was challenging for me because I used to make it from the first whole black line, but it starts between the two black lines or the two blue lines depending on what you're using. So be mindful of your sizing, your letter formation, your fluidity of your strokes, your neatness, and be accurate. Write exactly what you see practiced here. And have fun. Until next time, goodbye.